Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Easy Touch on iPhone. This incredible accessibility feature, officially known as Assistive Touch, places a virtual button on your screen, offering quick access to many functions. It is especially helpful for those who might find physical buttons challenging to use or simply want a faster way to navigate their device. We will go through the setup process step by step, making your iPhone experience even more intuitive and personalized. To enable Assistive Touch, first open your iPhone Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, which is where many helpful features reside. Within the Accessibility menu, you will find Touch. Select this option. Finally, tap on Assistive Touch and simply toggle the switch to the on position. You will immediately see a small, circular, semi-transparent button appear on your screen, ready for customization. Now that Assistive Touch is enabled, let's personalize its menu. Tap on Customize Top-Level Menu to begin. Here, you can add or remove icons to create your ideal set of shortcuts. You might want to include options like Home, Control Center, or Screenshot. You can have as few as one icon or as many as 8, allowing you to tailor the menu precisely to your needs and most frequent actions. Beyond the main menu, Assistive Touch offers advanced customization. You can assign specific actions for a single tap, a double tap, or a long press on the virtual button. For example, a double tap could lock your screen. You can also create custom gestures by recording your finger movements, which is incredibly useful for complex actions. Additionally, adjust the button's idle opacity to make it more or less visible when not in use, ensuring it never obstructs your view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.